Hi, good afternoon to one and all. My name is Uday. Today I am going to teach you about I have 16 years of experience in IT field. Today I am going to teach you about Redux. What is meant by Redux? It is a state management library. It is a state management library used mainly with React applications. Used mainly with React applications. Okay. Think of you can think of Redux as a central data store. Central data store. Okay. Example: college management system. College management system is there. Without Redux, what? Without Redux, what happened? College management system is what are there? Student component is there. All component names should be capital letter. Okay. Student component is there. Next, what are the different components? Parent component is there. Okay. See, component means name and that component itself is a capital letter. Okay. Due to time constraint, I am writing fast, but it should be capital component. Next, course component, which stream? Okay, course component. Next, fees component. Fee component. Okay, these many things are there. So things are there. Okay, data here passes through. Sorry, many components. Data here passes through many components: student component, parent component, course component, fee component. Okay, this is called props drilling. Very important interview question. What is meant by props drilling? If you explain like this, then they will definitely recruit you. This is called prop drilling. What is the problem, sir, here without Redux? The problem is difficult to manage. First one is it's difficult to manage. Next one is more code. Next one is complex application. Next one is complex application. After using Redux, what happens is same thing. Redux store, Redux store, Redux store into three layers. Okay, first one is student component, student component, student component. Next one is course. Next one is course component. Okay, next one is fees component. Okay, every component here. Okay, every component here access data directly. Every component here accesses data directly. Every component accesses data directly. Before Redux, what happens is with with Redux, every component access data directly. Before Redux, what happened is React state will be there. React state will be there. What is this React state and everything? I will explain in React class. Okay, parent and then child and then grandchild and then what? Great grandchild, great grandchild. Okay, data is passing through many components. See here, data passing data through multiple levels, many channels. This is called prop drilling. Because this is called prop drilling. Okay. After Redux, what happened? Every data access directly. Okay. After Redux store, Redux store. Okay. And then any component, Redux store, any component can access directly. Any component, direct access. Any component can access directly. Okay, no need to pass through multiple channels. That's the advantage of using Redux. Sir, where we used? Next, what is rotating on your mind is where we used e-commerce website like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. Okay, like Amazon, Flipkart. See, cart data is there, right? Cart data. Okay, for example, cart is equal to 5 items. Okay, header component cart of 5. It is showing in the header component cart of 5. On cart page, it is showing 5 products. I will show you this in live. Okay, next checkout page, 5 products. It is showing like this. I will show you this example also, no need to worry. Okay, all uses same data. Redux store it centrally. Redux store it in. Okay, store it centrally so that all uses same data. This is an example of e-commerce website where Redux is going to use. Similarly, banking application. In banking application, account balance is there, right? Account balance. This I will show you in tomorrow's session. Account balance is there. Used in where? Dashboard, transactions, profile, reports, okay, and so on. Redux keeps one source of truth. Redux keeps one source of truth. Okay. Okay. Next, these are the areas where we use Redux. Next, installation of Redux. Before going to installation of Redux, Node.js you have to install. Where we use Node.js in every session I am telling. See, go here, Node.js download. Here you can install, and then next. Whether it is installed properly or not, you have to check node-v, npm-v. The versions will be displayed. Then you are installed successfully. Then VS Code. VS Code means this is one. Visual Studio Code. This is the Visual Studio Code. How to download? VS Code download for Windows. VS Code download for Windows. You can click and then go here and then install this one and then next. Okay, and then go to extensions and then what you need to do means ES7 React snippets you need to download. This one you or see this one React snippets. See this one. I already installed. Okay. Next, Redux DevTools you need to install. Redux DevTools. DevTools. This also you need to install. Okay. This one I already installed. If you want to uninstall and then install, and then Prettier you need to install. Prettier code format. This unit is already installed in my system. Then what you need to do? Is go to code here. Okay, Redux. Okay, you need to create a project. Okay, you need to create project. Okay, how to create project? npm create, already show you white at the rate latest. Okay, redux hyphen demo, this is the project name I already created, but I am showing how to create redux hyphen demo. It will throw error also, okay, because I already created same name. Okay, cancel operation. Okay, like that you have to create a select react, select javascript, and then move into that project. See, this redux hyphen demo. Okay, and then what you need to do is npm install, because of node underscore modules, all the libraries will be there, right, for that purpose. Okay, npm install means all the libraries it is going to install, all the libraries it is going to install. Then what you need to do, npm run dev. Before going to npm run dev, go here, put this one, and then go up. Okay, this one you can select and then go down. Export default, this you need to, okay, this you will see, and then we will, okay, wait, next what you need to do, npm run dev. See, so many things are there, man. This Redux also 100 sessions will require. That much concepts are there in Redux also. Don't think that it is very easy. It is small. Okay, once you go dig into that internally, then you will understand the depth of that one. Okay, Redux plus React. Okay, and this is the basic page. Okay, next what you need to do, you need to install, cut here, terminal drop, next npm install redux, you need to install. Next is already there, that's why npm install react hyphen redux, this you need to install. Next npm install at the redux toolkit, you need to install. See what is redux, how the redux architecture will be look like, we will see. See, redux architecture, redux architecture, how it look like, we will see. See, component to dispatch action, dispatch action, and from to reducer. Okay, and then to updates store. Okay, component to dispatch action to reducer, and then update store, and then component re-renders, component re-renders, component re-renders. This is the architecture of Redux. Okay, how the structure of Redux will be there. This is the structure of Redux. See, this is how the structure will be of Redux. Okay, first I am going to show you counter application in Redux. Okay, previously I show you counter application in the same application I want to show you in Redux. Okay, for that purpose, what I need to do is counter slice I created. Okay, so what is this create slice and all means? It imports Redux toolkit helper. Okay, and then it creates Redux state. It creates Redux state. State management, right? Redux is there. That's right. Redux identifies state using name. Redux identifies state using name. Okay, this creates Redux state. This identifies state using name. Okay, next one. Starting value is 0. Okay, next function reduces means functions that modify state. Next increment means, okay, you already know. Decrement means you already know. Next this is how. Next store.js. Since tool.js also, wait, this is another code. First code I want to show you. This is the first code. What happens here? We will next main.js, main.js 6. This is the second code, I think. Main.js also. Okay, wait. First code you need to. Two examples I want to show you in today's session. That's why. Okay. Main.js. See, provided store means makes Redux store available everywhere. Makes Redux store available everywhere. Next, app.js is the main file. This. Okay, this you need to comment, and then this you need to uncomment. This up to this. Okay, that is different. Header card, that is different, and this is different. Increment function, counter app application. Okay, then what you need to do? See, what here you are doing. Sorry, sorry guys. What you are doing? Const count is equal to, it reads data from Redux Store. It reads data from Redux Store. And what is this? It sends action to Redux. Reads data from Redux Store and sends action to Redux dispatch. And then what happened here? Button click dispatch action, and then reducer, and then store update, and then UI updated. Okay, like this it is going to show. Okay, this we will run npm. This we will run. We will see. This is the code, right? This we will run. It's already there. Same counter application, whatever we are doing in React and Vue.js, same thing in Redux also. See, increase means one value increase, decrease means one value is going to decrease. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the counter app application. Redux value initially 0, Redux store. Okay, in the screen counter 0, user clicks increase, dispatch increment, and then state value is going to update, and then Redux counter app will show 1. If another time shows 2. Okay, like this. How sir? How means component to dispatch action, and from dispatch action to reducer, and the store updated, and then user select traits data, and then UI rendered. Okay, see, Redux is a, what is meant by Redux? Redux is a state management library. See, you will see. Wait, I want to show you one more thing. See, Redux is a predictable state management library that stores application data in a centralized store. That stores application data in a centralized store and allows components to access and update the state using actions and reducers. See, it is a predictable. It is a, I don't need to write the definition. It is a predictable state management library that stores application data in a centralized store and allows components to access and update the state using actions and reducers. So why Redux? It eliminates prop drilling. Data cannot be passed through multiple elements. Centralized state management and easier debugging, better scalability used in large React application. That's why companies are preferring Redux. Main Redux concepts are store. These are the main Redux concepts. Store, action, reducer, dispatch, Over action reducer dispatch. Okay, A capital, R capital, S capital, D capital, first letters all are capitals. Okay, dispatch, use, sorry, use selector is capital, use selector. Okay, use dispatch, here all second letters should be capital, use dispatch. Okay, and then Redux toolkit, Redux toolkit. Okay, and so on, these many areas they are using Redux. Okay, in I want to show you shopping cart example also. Okay, in next session, in this example you are learning Redux store, Redux toolkit, how to create slices and actions, reducers, use selector, use dispatch, centralized state management, and real-time shopping cart application I am going to show you in e-commerce website like Amazon or Flipkart. When a customer adds a product laptop, the data is needed in header, cart count, cart page, checkout page, and payment page. Without Redux, parent to child, child to grandchild, cart, grandchild to cart component. Data must be passed through many component. Because of this, prop drilling is the problem. After using with Redux, Redux store header, cart, checkout. Every component can access the cart directly. Okay, how the structure will be for see, this is the structure. Here is this thing somewhere right there. This is the structure. Okay, this is how the structure will be there. Okay, here I am writing card slicing. See, here I am writing, where is this thing? Where is this thing? Here I am writing card slicing. The same example previously counter slice I write, now I write card slice. Here in separate component I taken card.jsx and header.jsx I am writing, and then store.jsx. In store.jsx you need to select the second code. Okay, because shopping cart application I am going to show you, this is a mini project, these two are mini projects only. Okay, cart.jsx, this is the JSX code. Okay, shopping cart. JSX means allow HTML inside JavaScript. This is the HTML code inside JavaScript. Okay, next constants. Okay, in constants I'm writing the code. Okay, next am.jsx. Here we need to change the code. Wait, I need to comment previous code and then we'll start here. Okay, right. There we need to uncomment the shopping cart code. Okay, okay guys, next what we need to do, oh shit, terminal again I need to open because somewhere some problem had happened. Where is this thing? Okay, go here, go here, job camera. Okay, and here and now see, this is the browser URL. Go here, see, shopping cart. This is the header.jsx. Okay, cart 0, shopping cart total items 0. When I add product, cart header, cart becomes 1, total items becomes 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to remove, 5. If you want to remove, 4. One product is going to remove. If you want to entire clear, see 6 added, one product I remove 7. I want to clear the cart, so 0 is the element. Like this you are going to develop the mini projects by using Redux also. Okay, like this we are going to develop Redux components. Next, see, this is an example. In tomorrow's session I am going to show you about so many things in Redux also, but these are the things, these are the two projects right now. In demo session I am going to, I showed you. Okay, in tomorrow's session I'm going to show you remaining sessions. Or see what happens here, what is the flow we will see. One, before going to finish the session I'm going to show you button click. Okay, next dispatch, Here what you are doing, add to cart you are doing, add to cart you are doing, and then reducer or cap. First is cap. Next up, Redux Store, yes also capital. Redux Store updated. Okay, next use use selector. Next header updated, header updated. Next cart updated. Like this you are going to do. This is the flow. Okay, in tomorrow's session we are going to discuss remaining things: Redux toolkit, store, slice. And see, in today's session we discussed about store, slice, actions and juices. In tomorrow's session we are going to discuss in depth of the store, slice, action and user, use set, use dispatch, why we use Redux instead of props, what problem does Redux solve, and everything I'm going to cover in tomorrow's session. Okay, this is the demo session, that's why I don't want to cover everything in single go. Okay, in almost all 70 90 sessions are required for this Redux also. Student management system, in tomorrow's section I'm going to cover you, and employee management system I'm going to cover you, and then hospital management system I'm going to cover you, and then inventory management system I'm going to cover you, and then ERP application I'm going to cover you, CRM application I'm going to cover you. Like there's so many things I'm going to cover you along with daily concepts. Okay, in every session I'm going to teach you about practical plus theoretical plus project oriented. Okay, see, wherever you join in any institute it's your wish, but you have to take care of which institute are you going to join, because without practical knowledge once you enter the IT industry you face lot of problems. Okay, so practical knowledge is very very important. Okay, wherever you join it's your wish, I am not forcing you, but be careful while you are joining the institute, which institute I am joining. Their practicals they are going to teach about. See, once you enter into the industry, on the first day itself, you see lot of code. See, here I am showing you hardly 20 lines, 30 lines code. There hundreds, thousands of lines code will be there. How to detect how to debug those things, everything first day onwards you have to do those things, since you have some of the companies at that time you lose your job also sometimes. That's why you have to take care which where I am joining the course. Okay, if you don't see in my training institute I am going to cover around 6 to 8 years of experience knowledge I am going to give you there, because once you get that knowledge you enter industry, then you can automatically do the job freely. Okay, I am not blaming other institutes, but I am telling the fact, because so many students are struggling, so many members are struggling once they enter into the industry, and they lose jobs also. So be careful. Okay, see, everybody is a nice teacher only, but due to some certain conditions, somebody will teach, somebody will not teach. It's their criteria, because everybody will have different style of teaching. I am not blaming any other guys, but I am motivating the students that be careful, because without practical knowledge, it's very difficult to survive. Okay, okay, keep this point in your mind. Okay. See, in demo session only, I'm going to show you around these many practicals means in daily sessions, how many practicals I'm going to show you. How slowly I'm going to teach you in daily sessions means this is a demo session. That's why I want to cover everything and I want to show you everything, how it is in real time, how it is visible. See, in real time, this is also one type of task. See how this that's why in my all demonstrations I am showing you practical story, because entire overview I am going to give you. Once you get that overview, then you will able to understand, okay, this is this thing. Okay, I need to take care of lot of I need to take care from starting class onwards. because daily I will attend the session. I don't want to absent. I don't want to lose the session, because if I absent on one day, then next day session is very difficult for me. Like that, you will understand. That's why while joining itself, you have to decide yourself. Okay, no need to worry. I will take care of those things. At the end of the every class, I will share the PDF and everything. Okay. uh, Demo class. This is the demo class. In two more class, if you want, then you have to pay the fees. Where I need to pay the fees, sir? Udayit.great-site.net is my website. Go here. Okay, this is my website. See, udayit.great-site.net is my website. Go here, sign up here, full name, email address, password, and confirm password, and then create account, and then log in here or log in here. Once you sign up, you will get email ID, password. You can fill those one, and then you can log in. Inside bank credentials are there. You can pay the fees. While paying the fees, you have any doubts, go to home. Go here, go down. This is my mobile number, 814327. You can call me so that I can clarify doubts, so that you can easily pay the fees. Okay, this is my mail ID. Okay, no need to worry. See, these many courses are teaching in my online training institute. Okay, okay. If refer to your friends also, if they are interested, this is my YouTube channel. They can go through all the demos I placed here. They can refer. They can You can ask them to see those videos, and then if they are interested, they can enroll here. Okay, and pay the fees. Okay, these many demonstration, these many technologies I am teaching in my institute. Okay, this is my phone number, this is my email ID. First suppose here I am telling about Redux. Redux, how to pay the fees. Redux, enroll now. Email address. Once you sign up, right, you will get email ID, password. Right? Those you have to fill up inside bank details is there. You can pay the fees. While paying the fees, you have any doubt, you can go down. See, my mobile number is there, and then you can pay the fees. Today I uploaded that Redux demo video also here. Okay, no need to worry at all. These are my yesterday videos and previous day videos to my previous batch students. These are all the demo videos. SAP, I have covered all the modules in one demo session. Okay, Nest.js, Flutter, blockchain, AI backend, Microsoft Power App, Playwright, Fast API, Python. These are all the leading technologies. Right now, if you learn one programming language in my training institute and one new technology here, anything, whatever you selected, then you can get job easily. Even though you put you can get job easily. I will share. Because I know, because what is the trending in the market, because these are highly demanded courses. Okay, nobody is teaching. I don't know, but I will cover everything. Okay, no need to worry at all. These are the trending courses in the market. IT companies are looking. Okay, in tomorrow's session, see this Nest.js and Nest. See, Vue.js, React.js, those are all front-end layers. Those are all old technologies. Nest.js is the latest. Okay. Node.js is the backend, Express.js is the middleware. Instead of that one, Nest.js is ruling in the market. If you learn this technology, Next.js plus Nest.js front-end plus backend, you can get job immediately. Okay. Flutter, you can get job immediately. Blockchain also, AMRC, Microsoft Power Apps, all are booming in the market. Any one technology, if you learn in my training, you can get job easily. Okay, okay, guys, it was nice. If you have any doubts, you can call with me, chat with me, or ping with me. I think in today's session you understand very well. Okay, no need to. I will share you the document and everything. I think you understand today's session very well. Okay. In tomorrow's session, we are going to discuss about remaining other things. Before going to close the session, you can pay the fees if you are interested in today's session. I am going to upload these videos in the YouTube channel. Say, what is my YouTube channel? Udayit space tech space academy in youtube.com. Okay, okay, guys, have a nice day. Bye bye. Oh, okay, okay, no issues. Sorry. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you, guys. Bye.